In this video, I'll tell you very simple technique or tip to convert any text to handwritten using Python. Only 2-line code. Let's start. Go to Windows Shell, PowerShell, install pay.kit. Yes, it's showing requirement already satisfied as I have already installed it. Just close it and open Python. Go to File, New File and start writing code. I have copied some text from the web and pasting it. Just save it. And run the code. EOL while scanning string literals. Okay, it giving some error as I have copied it from somewhere. Just delete it. Okay, and write something as Python is simply great language. Save it and run the code. Yes. Go to the folder where you have saved the code. Yes, here it is. The image will get saved at the same location where your program is located. That's it. It very much looking like handwritten text. Thank you.